I'm fixing to wrap it up on my control arm, okay? Reading through the comments of my latest upload. Someone's like, that control arm, that reinforcement's gonna bite you in the, we're gonna say butt, okay, just for YouTube reasons, we're gonna say butt. It's gonna bite you in the butt. Where that tube's at, I bet it's gonna hit the frame. I'm like, no way. Absolutely no way. Another guy said, I'd check that tube, make sure it doesn't hit the spring perch. I'm like, can't hit it. It's higher up than the sides of the control arm, it's fine. You know, turns out it does hit.
Oh yeah!
I tested it. Okay, woke up this morning, ran straight out to the garage, was like, I gotta test this sucker, see if it hits. It hits. But I think I saved it. Doesn't hit now. Doesn't hit, I still need to clean it up, okay? Don't judge me. I still need to clean it up, but it doesn't hit now. So I'm gonna grind that down. But yeah, where that was sitting in that spot, I was thinking since I was up from the sides a little bit that I would be fine, but where that was sitting, you can see the A-arm's actually dished out there so the spring perch doesn't hit. It was hitting right there. So with this cut out, it doesn't hit anymore. The sides hit before anything in the center hits. So I'm gonna clean that up. I think we'll be able to save it, but thank you very much for pointing that out because I would have finished this thing, painted it, and went to go lock up the car down the road and it would have been an issue. So thank you for pointing that out. Saved me quite a bit of headache. Saved me a lot of trial and error, so I appreciate it. So what I'm doing now is just getting ready to make a ball joint plate. Like I've said before, I'm gonna go ahead and re-drill these holes so I can run the newer like G-body style unbreakable ball joints. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a plate that sits in here, weld it up, and then I'll go to the front side and weld up the holes and then mark it for the new GM ball joint and drill them out. I'm not exactly sure why I'm doing it on the bottom side. I asked a friend of mine that trusts his opinion when it comes to hydraulic stuff and installation. Asked him, should I run this plate on the top or on the bottom? He said I could run it on either one. He said he normally runs it on the bottom. I'm guessing it's just because it's easier to mark out your new holes and drill them from the top side instead of having everything smooth. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this plate. Let's cut this sucker out. I think I got it. I think I got it taken care of. Again, I really appreciate you bringing that up, bringing that to my attention, because at first, I mean, crap, I was even arguing with the guy on there, kinda. I said, there's no way it's gonna hit, because I looked at it and, you know, like I said, the tube was up higher than the sides, but it really doesn't matter. Those arms are have a pocket inside of on the underside that I didn't notice that needs to be that depth in order to clear the frame pocket. So I think I got it taken care of. Got it pretty well smoothed out. Pretty happy with that. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but you gotta understand that this is my first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that until I figure out what I'm gonna do for the ball joints. I'm pretty happy with it. This sucker, it's not the prettiest thing underneath, but that'll never be something. Oh, that sucker is heavy. It definitely adds some weight. Learned quite a bit off of that. I learned some different tricks. If I could do it all over again, there's a few things I'd do differently, which I'm in luck because I have one more to do and 2 more lowers. I definitely would cut off all the lips. Take off my welding glove. I'd cut off all the lips on the arms before putting the plates on. I think that would look a lot better, a lot easier to, I kind of smoothed it out on this one, but it took a lot of grinding and stuff, so I'd cut the lips off next time. Yeah, so there's one down, one to go, then I gotta do the lowers. That'll be fun. Gotta start somewhere. And I'm gonna go inside for tonight because holy crap, I gotta work tomorrow.